Before you hire any appliance repair company, ask these questions. They separate the legitimate companies from the scammers. Question 1. Are you licensed and insured? In Florida, appliance repair companies should carry general liability insurance at minimum. Ask for proof. If they hesitate, hang up. Question 2. What's your diagnostic fee, and is it applied to the repair? Reputable companies tell you the fee up front and apply it if you proceed. Companies that say no diagnostic fee often inflate repair costs to compensate. Question 3. Do you use OEM or aftermarket parts? OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, the same parts the appliance was built with. Aftermarket parts are cheaper but may not last as long. Know what you're getting. Question 4. What's the warranty on labor? Good companies warranty their work for at least 30 to 90 days. Some offer longer. If they don't warranty the labor at all, walk away. Question 5. Will you give me a quote before starting work? The answer must be yes. A tech should diagnose, explain the problem, and give you a price before touching anything. No surprises. Question 6. How long have you been in business? Check their Google reviews. Look at their Google business profile. Are there consistent 5-star reviews mentioning real service experiences? Red flags: no business address. Cash only. No written invoice. Pressuring you to decide immediately. Quoting over the phone without seeing the appliance. Licensed, insured, and transparent. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.